Hello friends, my name is Anuja Anil Sanjay. Today's date is 10 Feb 2022. Today's topic is difference between for, while and do while in Java. First of all, what is loops? These are the loops. The loop is executed a sequence of statements many times until the statement condition becomes a false. This is called as a loop. The loop consists of two parts: body of the loop and the condition of control statement. The purpose of loop is when we repeat the some statements many times, then we can use the loops. The loops are for loop, while loop and do while loop. These are the loops in Java we use. The first of all, we see the while loop. While loop is a most straightforward looping structure. It is an entry control loop. In while loop, we declare the initialize the and then give that condition, and the increment and decrement we use. In while loop, the syntax of while loop is a while, then condition, open and curly braces. In this curly braces, we write the statement which we executed. Then curly brace close. This is the syntax of while loop. Then next is a do while loop. Do while loop is similar as a while loop. In do while loop, we execute the statements at least once time, then the condition will be checked. In do while loop, the condition executed the statement, and if the condition is true, then go to the beginning, and again the loop is executed. When the condition is not false, then the directly transfer to the out of the loop. This is the do while loop. The syntax of do while is do, then open and curly braces, and then closing curly braces we write the while and the condition and the semicolon. This is the syntax of do while loop. Then next is the for loop. For loop is used to iterate the part of the program several times. The number of iteration is a fix. Then the syntax of while for loop is for, then in bracket initialization, then semicolon, then condition, semicolon, and the increment or decrement. This is the syntax of a for loop. Then we see the difference between the for loop, while loop and do while loop. In for loop, we know the iteration size fix. Then in while loop, we did not know the fixed iteration in while loop. And next is a do while loop. In do while loop, we did not know the fixed iteration, but we use the do while loop when the program is executed at least once. Then next is the syntax. Syntax is a for loop is for initialize, then bracket initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, and the increment and decrement. This is an open and curly braces. Open and closing curly braces. Then while syntax is a while, then condition, and open and closing curly braces. In braces we write the statements. Then next is a do while loop. Do while loop syntax is a do, open and closing curly braces, then while and the condition and the semicolon. This is the syntax of do while loop. Then next is a while. For is used in when we use for, then another also we write the another for loop in a for loop. This is called as a nested for loop. Then when we in for loop, we did not use the semicolon after the declaration of for loop, and the while loop we did not use the semicolon, and the do while loop we use the while and then condition and then semicolon. We write the semicolon of the end of the while loop. And for loop is used to for loop we use the When the condition is true, then the for loop will be executed. While the condition is true, then only the while loop is executed. In do while loop, the condition first we execute the statements and then check the condition is true or false, and then true, then repeat the loop, and the false, then execute terminate the loop and go out of the loop. This is all about the for, while and do while in a Java. Thank you.